alongside a new monument to a king gazing outward, summoning us towards that mountaintop. How righteous it is that we tell this story here. For almost 8 years, I have been blessed with the extraordinary honor of serving you in this office. And time and again,
she doesn't know what she's doing right now. I don't know what she's seeing, so.
She's in this room right now.
Oh, she can like look all around and see this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so cool.
But it's pretty straightforward. Now, again, in this experience, this is the headset, and it communicates with these sensors here. So like this entire space, where that game you're sitting in a chair, like this game you're literally, you walk around this entire space. So like if there's a robot and it shoots at you, instead of like using a controller, you literally just step to the side. Welcome to the HTC Vive.
Yeah, right there.
Which hand do you right this? There you go. Here you go. So do me a favor and go ahead and So on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel?
She said cool. He's like right here. Yeah. Smack it. Yeah, we can see it.
At the controller of your right hand, the controller of your left hand. That's how you select the controller.
You're entertaining the children. Yes, girl, it's beautiful. Aw, you would like, this is pretty.
The controller, one controller is behind your head, over your shoulder, just like that. And pull it back out.
Ah. People are like, what is she doing?
No, this is where I want video games to be. Like, the whole controller thing is awesome.
Yeah, I can totally see games doing this. I mean, they already are. Jaleesa, give him the controllers. It's cool, right? That's what she sees. He said, yeah, that's an Xbox. Here. What do we got? What do we got? Hey peoples, good morning. It's Sunday. I don't know what day. It's September 25th. It's the next day, and I wanted to show you guys I'm making pumpkin spice lattes. So I want to show you how I'm making them. Okay, so it's really easy, and it'll help you learn how to make them without using having to go to Starbucks all the time and get that artificial flavors and stuff like that. So what am I doing? Okay, so I got some canned organic pumpkin, but it's in here right now because this is a different can that I opened up already. I got some coconut sugar. You can use whatever kind of sugar you want, or stevia. Stevia works really well too. Then I got this vanilla extract, of course, and then I got some unsweetened almond milk. After buying this and doing it already, I suggest you guys buy the unsweetened vanilla flavor, or if you don't really care about the calories and the carbs, get the just the vanilla sweetened one. It's got like 12 carbs per cup. But I put them in here, put all the ingredients in here. See, right now only the almond milk is in there, and then I have it on medium. And let me just finish up over here. I did this last week and I added like 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin. I'm gonna add more pumpkin today because there wasn't enough pumpkin flavor with them little 2 tablespoons that I followed on the recipe. Found the recipe on Pinterest, by the way, because Pinterest knows everything. Duh. So I'm gonna put a little bit more pumpkin in here since certain people complained that there wasn't enough pumpkin. And I'm gonna just dump some vanilla extract. You're supposed to put like a half a teaspoon, but you know, I mean, I don't measure it. And this is separating. This is for 2 of us. I don't really want to put too much sugar in there still. Like I just don't. So I'm gonna grab my stevia, which is right here. I'm almost done with this. I gotta go buy some more from the Amazon. From Amazon. A couple drops of that in there. Couple more drops. Bam, 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 bam. So this is what it looks like right now. The recipe says to let this stuff you know, warm up whatever and mix them together until the pumpkin is dissolved. It usually takes like literally like 5 minutes. It doesn't take that long. So I'm just gonna mix it in there now. Try not to scrape up my pot with this spoon, and yeah, it's really easy. And then over here I have my little coffee maker. I already put this coffee in there. This is just the only one that we have because I don't really buy coffee anymore. I just mostly drink tea, so this is all we got. So I put it right there and there. All you do is put the water in here, and then you just turn it on. Then you turn it on right there and you got your coffee. So easy. Everything is dissolved into itself. It's 9:35. I put it on at 9:30. Like I said, it took about 5 minutes on medium. This coffee maker, like you can fill it up to here, but I filled the water up to down here because I just need it for my cup and I don't need it to fill up. Like I need it to be like halfway so I can put that mixture in there when I'm done. Homemade pumpkin spice lattes. This is how we're out here for games. Well, that's theirs. I don't want that.
Big Gulpa Monster.
We underestimated last week. This is all stuff.
Cookie
here.
light.
Got all this stuff.
This bullshit.
Oh, whatever.
They can't let them forget that.
Oh, Darren got the beef patty too, of course. I'm bringing the Organifi green juice, and I got some stuff in the back. I brought my, whoa, I'm like, whoa. Okay, I brought my BPI protein. I bought a scoop of that. I think I bought 2 scoops. A scoop and a half of that. And then I got, what else I got? I got some tuna, like a package of tuna. And I got some gum for that. Yeah, that's about it.
Woo! I should hit the spot. Hey, we need a sponsorship, Monster. We need it. I need it. Somebody need it. I need to get paid for this.
A lot of people.
I buy one almost every day. I need a sponsorship.
Okay. So there's that.
Matter of fact, what's their Instagram page? I'm about to
you should
DM
tweet them. You should have to tweet them.
I'm about to DM them.
Okay. DM them. Slide up in their DMs. I think he wants him to play. He says real defense. He's like, we're gonna play real D.
I think he really wants to play. He's being fair.
Ooh.
What's that?
A bee? It just landed on my finger. The best catch ever.
What a run! Hey, is she ready? Let's go! the one! Get the one!